Straight juice.
Oh, what you know?
Figure stiff me a bun spot and
Me
spread
say
up
me
my
here,
head
boom,
down
boom, boom, boom.
Juice it too much
Me
up
here,
it.
Pashai.
Oh, you must say them here be a thing, John. Me no hear one thing when I talk about
Me
it.
say-
For the last time.
Imagination.
No, the
Imagination
imagination. Mummy
Man,
even
I
said the
sleep.
time when we got country, I remember how far funeral jingle, they got chill and they go. I see you know, I'm very young, like you know. I swear thing.
Me swear think me
Swear
no
thing,
wine there.
Swear thing, cause the goat there in the true them.
And the goat they out a door.
The goat they out a door and the door lock when them.
And the door lock.
Come here, the door them the
Be
place.
a jumping, I want down a birdie.
Me no like the
Me say junkie, me not tell no lie. Me say me want people, you know. Yeah, me.
Yes, if I'm tips to birdie yard,
Yeah, me
me no
still,
like
me
no
swear I
one
still a
yard,
big
dog.
birdie. I want the way down there clash.
From yard.
From tips to birdie, me no like the one them yard, yeah, man.
Juice boy, a real thing me I tell you about. You know, I think I joke me I tell you. Alright, let's see what I'm saying.
Although Maxine tells us come here at night and see money.
The left now.
See we anyone.
After the left.
No, I don't like
I know for them hours yet. You see all when I touch 2 o'clock, at them time they don't them come for uncle. I mean to tell you, all them meeting. I mean them meeting, man. You think I joke me on
Where we
it?
buy the people?
Every night. Enough night and me have to knock down it and say, uncle. And him say, and when me hear say, me know him have to come out and see. Where say, and them beat him till him dead, man. Me say, last, God know that.
Oh, should up with that in
We don't know what last night it up with
What
them.
the evil people from the thieves yard to burn
Me say the last night it up with them
Yeah,
beat uncle.
And the
Choo,
I
man.
really think they see them.
no,
Yes,
last
around
night-
there, some of
Last
them.
time I lick
Around
up
the
the
all
door.
like wicked people me living up.
Last time I lick the door.
Junkie, I want you, man.
You know what things? Around there, so. Round to that, them part around the side, they say
Lick the
wicked
door
them
and say,
start now.
Gina, me a hungry for
Say,
you.
Yeah, I saw him,
And
yeah.
two a man go link him for Whistler late
Yeah.
night. And them man ever weed no juice here.
Ever
So, Gina,
weed.
give me a-
So what him
give me
get in a final weed down there? What you mean when the man get in final weed down there?
Last time, one time, them a bull and split for the dog.
You have one so far.
Not to
I
the
don't get
last
money,
night,
you know.
them come for Uncle, you know,
Yes, yeah,
and
yeah.
then the same week him go down to the hospital and him not coming back.
Nobody
The man
know they
say,
there. Me no snap
you think
people
could all
money.
beat me tonight and my night, same way so the man saying I'm sleep, I sleep.
Tis me not good over
Yeah,
that.
me say some carrots.
Yeah.
And me even tell him about
From
it.
generation, from the long time generation, you see the round them section there, and
Yeah,
they say
yeah,
we keep them
yeah.
in
He
there.
taught me, I love
Whether the propaganda
yeah,
there,
some man
the
come
blood claw laugh.
All them know want sleep in the
Let it
juice.
come, man.
Look how me think now, man.
Talk, man, this is a place.
No, run
Friday.
back some.
Yo.
Come talk to me.
The man said blood clot. And my night tonight we can't beat me.
I'm carrying.
He beat up the double them the night there. That's the
A
last
real
night
thing,
that
dog,
up.
you believe
I think
what
I
you
Joe me and Juicy Boy, I swear as me slug as so.
And the imagination, man, Juicy.
Juicy Boy, I tell me say imagination.
Me not like
And the
them
last
things they
night
done
that
from
the
Birmingham,
man
yeah,
fight with the double them and when him and him go to hospital and him never come back out. What you tell me say?
I like those
Me a
man,
fool.
And them good at give him chance, you know.
Oh, you mean them beat the man?
Yeah, I
Me
really.
say every night.
Yeah, man.
At least we should have here. At least we should have here instead of that.
Me say every night. Junkie man, every night.
Stop fuck with the man, no, man.
Every
Lord, the
night.
dog and he eat like pasta.
Me say every night the double them come for uncle. Every night. So I'm
Mr. Carter.
I'll bird here. Me a birdie down there.
Mr. Carter.
And me a birdie have to knock him
Down
up.
the Jimmy them.
Andrew
Jimmy
Martin.
said, last time him know a birdie, we hear the floor was so free.
You think I Jew?
I come in and go around the same. I go
When name, when
You
name
think
me,
I Jew
I
up?
go run.
Wow.
when
You
name
must
me,
have lived near to
Come here,
Uncle in a
here.
school.
I name
Me can't hear
I'm really in that.
everything.
Carlton Andrew fucking mighty. Don't fuck around, kill you. Hey, your name's Chang in a dog.
Jerry family can
Beer in my all for
Carlton, yeah, true. Carlton, me hear something they call him for true.
Carlton Andrew fucking mighty.
I hope on
Never left out the fucking mighty.
I hope on your man.
Righty.
And then you laugh at him and go, lick it like this, you come back.
Who that did?
The man in the city.
Yeah, man.
The man who will drive the own.
Which one then?
The one who drive the own.
And when I know him have the big money, if you send him in Panya,
Send
take
him
it.
and what the man for.
Remember the thing of
Oh,
video?
you gonna get off fine.
You get boss.
You see the man, the people 50 them, give them 50 but
Yo, go on the man before the man them now have nothing out there for them man.
after 10 now, when the
After
man
10, my
When me
bumper, I'm not
after
cooked
the
yet,
level, I mean,
girl. 12 o'clock
2
now.
minutes past 12, but nothing have nothing.
I say late?
You know I'm 12.
So when
How much in peanut porridge?
A 50 me have.
How much in peanut porridge?
See you till I push it. So peanut porridge, but I drink still in it.
I don't have no bread. Juice, left piece of bread for me. You hear me?
So push a go on
Carlton?
$50. The bright tea, $50.